Well, happy birthday, Nina Nita. Happy birthday, Nina. Happy birthday, Nina. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious?
Happy birthday! Sana na-surprise ka. Nambash lang ako ni Cecil na gumawa ng video for you. So, yun. Advance happy birthday! Yay! Ganda! So, ayun, wish ko para sa'yo, lagi ka sanang nasa magandang kalagayan, lagi sanang maganda yung health mo, huwag magkakasakit, ingat lagi. Tapos, pag bumalik ka dito ulit, kita-kita lang, text nyo lang ako. Dapat inform nyo naman, para naman makita ko rin kayo. So, ayun, sobrang miss na kita. Tapos, ayun, happy birthday, I love you. Sobrang enjoy ka sana sa birthday mo. Sana ma-surprise ka dito sa gagawin namin. Yes. Thank you, I love you!
Hi, Nika. Happy birthday. Nandok na ako. 18 years old ka na. I hope you're happy even if you're there and you're here. Spend time with your friends and take care of yourself. Saka mag-aral ka mabuti para nalagyan mo lang ng kasi me. I love you and see you on November. For my birthday, kailangan may gift ka sa akin. Kahit to follow yung gift ko. Ayoko masyadong mahaba na message, baka maiyak ako.
Ano ba sasabihin ko? Wala lang. Chill. Magkaantok na kasi kami. 24 hours. Asan ba yung mic? I need to click something? Ayun. Kasi inaantok na rin ako. Yung iPad ko malitan na. Kasi 24 hours na ako kasi. Okay. Alright. Just take care of yourself. And I have my red lips on. Natural. Bye-bye. Take care.
Happy 18th birthday, Beth. I love you. Kahit na nasa pareho tayong dulo ng mundo. Love na love for kita. Wish you all the happiness in the world. Yun. Para naman hindi ka na iyak-iyak. Yun. Tapos, after 2 years, magiging sex na tayo forever. Yun. And, ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Miss na kita. And I love you. And sana wag kang iiyak pag nakita mo itong sorpresa namin nila Cecil and the others. Ayun, love na love kita. I miss you. I miss all of you.
Hi Nika, happy 18th birthday. I miss you so much. Wish you all the best. God bless. Mwah.
Hi, Nika! Happy birthday! Wow! Sana man lang dito ka nakapag-celebrate ng 18th birthday mo. Siguro by that time, kompleto na tayo. I'll make sure na kompleto na tayo. Pagpasensya na ako kung hindi ako masyadong nagpaparamdam. Alam kong nagtatampo na kayo. Pero as much as possible, sinustok ko talaga kayo. Promise. My wish for you is makabalik ka na dito. Maging kompleto na tayo. Tapos, maging masaya ka na sa, especially love life. Well, alam ko naman ata masaya ka. Anyway, ayun. Basta lahat. Masaya naman na lahat eh. So, ano pa bang mahihiling ko? Basta yun, kita-kita tayo sa susunod ah. I love you, babe. I miss you.
Hi, kapatid. Happy birthday. Stay healthy and pretty. Yung pagbabait ng sarili mo, masyado ha.
In your contradictions,
Sana matupad lahat ng wish mo. Kung magpapabayado, mag-ingat ka lagi. I love you, kapatid. Happy birthday, mama. Chup-chup.
Hi Nika, happy 18th birthday. Sana mag-gusto may regalo sa iyo si Celia. And tanda ka na rin. 18 ka na, kahit anong pwede mo nang gawin. Have fun, enjoy your day. Miss you. See you soon, by the way. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and good luck in life. Sana, I hope God will guide you decisions you make in the future. And I hope you become really successful. And I wish to see you. Happy birthday. I love you.
beautiful
and I miss you so much.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Nika.
Happy 18th birthday, Bessie. Surprise dapat to, I guess I say. Anyway, thank you, Tita and Tito, for bringing to this world a beautiful person like Nika. Life is so much better with her kasi may ibigyan kang halang makinig sa kahit anong kwento mo. Yung mamahalan ka pa rin, magkalaro kayo. And this is because you have been a good friend to me and to all of us in the past 5 years. Kung ano man yung wish mo, yun din wish ko. Kasi, you deserve to be happy. Kung ano yung pagkasaya sa'yo, yun din magpapasaya sa amin. Kung boylet man yan, sana sinama mo kami. Sana magkasama yung guest ko. It's the least I can do right now. Sana maiyak ka pa rin. Kasi ako nalalaging pinapaiyak ko. Yan lang. I'll see you in December. I love you and I miss you. Mwah!
This song, we love you.
Beautiful It's like taking a guess when the only answer is yes. And through timeless words and priceless pictures, we'll fly like birds, not of this earth. And tides they turn and hearts disfigure, but that's